In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check spam in iCloud Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find suspicious messages, how to rescue important emails that landed there by mistake, and how to keep your inbox cleaner going forward. First, let's get into iCloud Mail on the web. Open your browser, go to icloud.com/mail, and sign in. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the Mailboxes list. This is your navigation panel for all folders like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. In that list, click the Junk folder. This is the dedicated place where iCloud automatically moves emails it thinks are spam. You'll see everything iCloud flagged as suspicious in one place. Keep in mind that messages in junk aren't stored forever. iCloud automatically deletes emails from this folder after 30 days, so it's a good idea to check it regularly. Weekly is a solid habit, especially if you're expecting an important message like a receipt, verification code, or a response you've been waiting on. As you review messages in junk, take a moment to scan the sender, subject line, and a quick preview. If you spot something that's clearly legitimate, maybe a newsletter you subscribe to or a message from a trusted contact, open the email. Then click Not Junk or simply move it to your inbox. Doing this not only returns the message to where it belongs, it also teaches iCloud's filter that you want emails from that sender. Over time, that helps future messages from them go straight to your inbox instead of junk. If you confirm that a message is truly spam, you have two simple options. Leave it in the junk folder and let it expire automatically, or delete it right away if you prefer to clear it out. You can also mark emails as junk when you encounter them in other folders to improve iCloud's filtering, which makes the system smarter at catching similar messages in the future. A quick safety reminder as you review. Avoid clicking links or downloading attachments from messages you don't trust. If something looks off, strange wording, unexpected requests, or alarming claims, it's best to leave it in junk or delete it. To wrap up, make checking your junk folder a routine. iCloud does a solid job filtering spam, but even legitimate emails can land there occasionally. A quick look now and then ensures you don't miss anything important while keeping unwanted messages out of your main inbox.